Alright guys, we're doing something a little different here. We are hydrojetting in reverse up a cast iron line. We want to show you how much debris is actually coming out. You can hear that. There's our hydrojet hoses. This is just that one extra thing we wanted to do to make sure the cast iron under the home was in the best shape possible. If not, we will have to excavate underneath the house. That's what we're trying to avoid. All the equipment. And of course, the big hydrojet machine right there. Still getting it done.